Hello everybody, Zachary Lida here in the HM Weather Service, here for a severe weather update from our studio in Dunwoody, Georgia. Looking at the SPC right now, the storms are moving on into Georgia. They're currently proliferating to a quite, losing my vocabulary here, I'm sorry, quite big size at the moment, and gaining in intensity right now. This would normally be on news shows. I'd say live there to that person, but unfortunately we don't have that yet. So looking at our radar currently outside us, we see some light showers around the area. And to let you all know, just north of Fulton County, so basically Fulton County and upwards, there is a tornado watch in place. I expect that to be moved a little bit further south as time progresses, seeing the size and the intensity of these storms. Zooming on down to where we are, sorry, this computer can be a tad bit slow sometimes. Not my usual one that I'm working with, the 4 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes of hard drive space, which is wonderful. But looking down there right now, we have a nice, it looks to be a pretty good squall line setting itself up right now. Some severe storms off to the, that would be the west of us. And as I said before, that tornado watch has been issued and will continue to be issued until, let's see if they've given us a time on this yet. That is till 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. So we should keep our eyes out for those. If you hear a tornado siren going off at any point this evening, I would suggest that you get to the lowest level of your house in an interior room would be the best possible location. If you are out and about this evening and you see one, your best bet would to if you can drive away from the direction that the tornado is going, that would be your best option. But if that option is not available, then your second best is either to exit the car and find a low culvert or ditch to get into, or you can take your car and run it into the ditch, which will give it a little bit more support as that tornado goes by. Now, these aren't guaranteed ways, but they are more likely to protect you if a tornado was to strike. So down further, we look over into Mississippi. They have a severe thunderstorm watch issued for that area. I don't see any severe thunderstorm warnings at this time, except for one in Mississippi, which looks like it will be soon taken down on that one storm. But again, looking at this storm system, it's been off and on the intensity, but I have seen some development in the region. And looking at the storm relative velocity right now, don't see that much of mixing winds, but there is some just to the northwest of Birmingham and over in basically the northeast, even with Gadsden, Alabama right now. The composite radar is currently showing us that there is two strong cells, one that looks like it may hit Atlanta, but still looking at this for possible more development, and if that does happen, we'll see a bigger impact that these storms will have. There currently is 6 watches up and down the East Coast that have been issued, all the way from I believe that would be Lake Erie, to basically mid-Mississippi, so all the way stretching down there. We have those watches that have been put up. There is no mesoscale discussions currently in effect, although I do expect probably around 7, which is in 1 minute, that those we may have another mesoscale discussion about these severe storms moving towards our area. And as I said before, tornado watch just to the north of Fulton County. So if you live in that area, be on the lookout, because these storms could further develop as the night continues. Live in Dunwoody, Zachary Lida with the HM Weather Service. With any more updates, we'll come to you live and be on the lookout for our next severe event coming around this Friday night and really hitting us on Saturday. All stay safe this evening. We'll see you later.